Nowadays, it's more easier than ever to make money on social media. Are you an aspiring content creator? If you desire to make money from social media, or if you want to turn long videos into multiple viral clips for you to share on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, and Reels to increase social media reach, then this video is for you. Check this out.
Go! What's your sole purpose in this army?
To do whatever you tell me, drill sergeant.
God damn it, Gump! You're a goddamn genius. That's the most outstanding answer I've ever heard. You must have a goddamn IQ of 160. You are goddamn gifted, Private Gump. Vozo, what's your main goal in video creation?
To make video creation 10 times faster and better.
Vozo, you're an absolute game changer. That's the most outstanding answer I've ever heard. You must have goddamn AI capabilities. You are goddamn gifted, Vozo.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius, Commander of the Armies of the North, General of the Felix Legions, loyal servant to the true Emperor Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, husband to a murdered wife, and I will have my vengeance in this life or the next. My name is Michael Opay Jobs, Commander of Endless Tasks, General of Pointless Meetings, loyal servant to a clueless boss and his ridiculous decisions, father to a murdered social life, husband to a murdered sense of joy, and I will have my vengeance in this job or the next.
These days, creating short videos is a great way to increase your audience size and number of subscribers. If you want to increase your views, let me show you how to make short videos quickly.
To begin, just type and search Vozo AI in your browser and select the first option. From the top, it's clear that Vozo AI recently earned the top honors of #1 Product of the Week and #1 Product of the Day on Product Hunt. Next, navigate to the top right and select on the Sign Up for Free tab. Note, one is required to register using Google account. First, Rewrite and Redub. On the account dashboard, choose and select the Rewrite and Redub tab. You can upload your video by selecting the Drop to Upload tab, or you can paste a video URL from platforms like Rumble, Google, etc. Lastly, you can choose one of their pre-made videos and customize it. For this tutorial, I will demonstrate using a video from the OpenAI YouTube channel. Just copy the video link and paste the URL in the input section. The language that is spoken in the video can be manually chosen, or you can use the Auto Detect option. Then, specify the number of speakers in the video, or select the Auto option to enable the AI to detect the number of speakers automatically. Next, click on Continue tab to launch the transcribing process. Note, transcribing process will vary depending on the length of the video. Once the transcribing is done, you can manually modify your script or ask AI to modify the video for you. Just click on the AI button to summon the AI assistant to help you. The AI can help you to rewrite, refine, lengthen or shorten your script, or execute tasks like find and replace, search and remove. Note, you can enter your prompt or tell the AI how you want to rewrite the video story. For this tutorial, I have demonstrated how to rewrite the script using the workspace comedy style. Click the Send button to start the rewriting process. The AI will offer a preset prompt that you can tailor to your requirements. Once the process is done, and you are not satisfied by the script, you can choose to regenerate the script by clicking on the Regenerate tab. If you are okay with the revised script, click on the Apply to Script tab to replace the original script with the AI-generated one. Next, click on the Update Speech button to launch the cloning of the original speaker voice and start the dubbing process. After processing, you'll have a redubbed video with your updated script, presented by the eminent original voice. You can revise the script once more by selecting options like speed, volume, pitch. You can also adjust the specific length of clip in the timeline by shortening it or by making it longer, faster, or slower. Next, select on the Lip Sync tab and select the number of faces that appear in the video. Then click on the Start Lip Sync button to sync the face with the audio. Note the process may take some time, but the system provides you an estimated wait time, so you can leave this window open and take care of other things. Once the process is done, click on the Download tab to download your video to your device.
The model is able to generate voice in a variety of different emotive styles, and it really has a wide dynamic range. So I'm going to fire up another demo for that. So our model can mimic emotions better than our boss can pretend to understand our workload. So I'm going to start another demo, because apparently we don't have enough last-minute projects. Yeah, because who needs sleep when you have endless emails, right?
Second, translation and redub. Apart from rewrite and redub, Vozo AI also offer a translate and redub function and repurpose function. The main advantage of video translation is that it lets you reach more people from around the world, increase your competitiveness, etc. Dubbing has certain advantages, such as providing enhanced immersion and engagement for viewers, while also making the content more accessible. In the past, it would have been expensive and time-consuming to create a dubbed video, but with Vozo AI, it can be completed in a matter of minutes. On the account dashboard, choose and select the Translate and Redub tab. You can upload your video by selecting the Drag to Upload tab, or you can paste a video URL from platforms like Rumble, Google, etc. Next, select the original language and the target language you want to translate to. Then select the number of speakers manually, or use the AI Auto Detect feature. You can also turn on translation subtitles if needed. Then click on Continue tab.
Le modèle est capable de générer des voix dans une variété de styles émotionnels différents, et il a vraiment une large gamme dynamique. Je vais lancer.
Click on the Reclone Voice button if you are not satisfied with the AI voiceover, in order to sample different voices. After making the necessary changes, click on the Redub button to launch your video with your clone voice.
De générer des voix dans une variété de styles émotionnels différents, et il a.
If you need to modify the customized voice manually, select and choose the Adjust Timing tab on your left side, then adjust by dragging your text as needed. From the Subtitle tab, you can choose the subtitle style, then position the subtitle where you want. Also, you can choose the size, font, animation, and subtitle break. Lastly, export your AI translation video by clicking the Export button.
The model is able to generate voice in a variety of different emotive styles, and it really has a wide dynamic range. So I'm going to fire up another demo for that. Le modèle est capable de générer des voix dans une variété de styles émotionnels différents, et il a vraiment une large gamme dynamique. Je vais lancer une autre démo pour ça. Ouais.
Third, repurpose video. If you desire to make money from social media, or if you want to turn long videos into multiple viral clips for you to share on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels to increase social media reach, then Vozo AI is for you. This tool allows you to turn long video into viral shorts in one click and generates engaging clips from long videos. These days, creating short videos is a great way to increase your audience size and number of subscribers. If you want to increase your views, let me show you how to make short videos quickly. From your dashboard, select and choose Repurpose tab. Next, upload your video or paste your link, then click on the Get Shorts button. Then select the desired duration of the video. Next, choose a subtitle template that best suits your style. To focus on a particular section of your video, turn on the Select Time Range option and enter the desired time range. Lastly, select the Start Clipping option to begin processing your short video.
The model is able to generate voice in a variety of different emotive styles.
You can further edit your video by selecting on the Presented option on your top left side. You can even readjust your frame. Finally, remember to click on the Export tab option when done.
The model is able to generate voice in a variety of different emotive styles. And it really has a wide dynamic range. So I'm going to fire up another demo for that. Yeah. Hey, ChatGPT, how are you doing?
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.